He had no bed, no money. But one night, he heard what Elon Musk did. Ethan was broke, 17 years old, dropped out of school. He worked 14-hour shifts at a dirty garage and still couldn't afford food some days. He slept on the cold cement floor. No mattress, no blanket, just a dream to build something great. But every day, it felt like the world didn't care. Until one night, scrolling YouTube with a cracked phone, he heard a line that hit him in the chest. Elon Musk told, "I slept on the floor of the Tesla factory because if my team was suffering, I had to suffer more." Ethan sat there and cried. The next day, the garage owner, a quiet old man, saw Ethan's face. He sat down next to him and said, "You know, Musk didn't just build Tesla with money. He built it with pain." And he told Ethan a story. When Tesla was nearly bankrupt, Elon didn't take a vacation. He didn't hide in a penthouse. He worked 120 hours a week, slept in the office, showered at the factory. Not because he had to, but because when you suffer for your vision, the universe takes you seriously. Then he looked Ethan in the eye. "You've already got nothing. Now suffer with purpose." Ethan changed that day. He stopped complaining. He started learning, coding at night with free Wi-Fi outside cafes. He used that same garage to test a small project, a self-made electric scooter built from scrap parts. People laughed, but he kept building. He slept on the floor by choice because pain became his training. At 19, Ethan launched a startup. His first prototype sold out in 2 weeks. Now he hires young dropouts, just like he once was. But he still works late, still shows up early, still keeps a sleeping bag by his desk, just like Musk did. Your pain has a purpose, but only if you choose to turn it into power. No more waiting, no more excuses. Like, subscribe, drop your story in the comments. You could be the next Elon Musk if you suffer for your dream.